Hello viewer. Welcome to Everything Review Pro. In this video, we try to more information about top 5 nose and ear hair trimmer. Android 2019. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So easily find your best product. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Panasonic ER430K. Panasonic nose hair trimmer for men comfortably removes nose, unwanted facial hair plus details beards and eyebrows with dual edge blades. Clean and precision trimming, curved, hypoallergenic. Wet/dry convenience, fully waterproof men's personal groomer. Smart vacuum cleaning system. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 4. Panasonic ERGN30K. Innovative dual edge blades. Clean and precision trimming. Smart vacuum cleaning system. Cordless and battery operated. Wet/dry convenience. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 3. Toilet Tree. Professional water-resistant heavy-duty nose trimmer with LED light. High-quality nose hair trimmer is built to last a lifetime. Stainless steel blades and a rotary cutting system deliver a smooth. Its ergonomic design and rubber texture finish ensure a secure, comfortable grip. Smart design. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 2. GroomMate Platinum XL. 2.5-inch closed. Works without batteries. Stainless construction. Best nose hair trimmer for removing unsightly nasal hairs. Statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the FDA. Diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Item number, GMG25420. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 1. Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 3100. Protect tube technology preventing pulls, nicks, and cuts. With eyebrow comb to trim nose, ears, and eyebrow hair. Ideally angled to easy reach inside nose and ears. AA battery included. Fully washable. Please check out the description for details and update price.